Hey everybody, welcome back, Pro Carry Trucker. It's a little box opening here. I've done my video on my Baifeng ham handheld radio, dual band, VHF, UHF, 10 meter and 70 centimeter, I think it is. But decent radio, but it's only there's 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 watts. You go low to high power on it. I've got 2 of those, and another Baifeng. It's dust proof and waterproof. So we can get this thing opened up here. Comes packed about like the other one. Oh, and this one's 15 watts. So it's got 3 times the power of the others. Here's the unit. Get the battery. Got the user manual, which is pretty much useless. The best way to use these Baifeng radios is to go online and check out Ham Radio Crash Course on YouTube. Charging port, charger that goes into it, belt clip, lanyard, and the typical Baifeng antenna. But like I said, this one is 15 watts, so it's got 3 times the power of the others. We'll get this thing charged up, and we'll do some testing on it. Appreciate watching. We'll catch you on the next video.